Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to plant a ZZ plant. So, first you need to take I've cut this ZZ plant from the stem. Now you need to cut this leaves which are at the bottom. These leaves with a scissor or with a knife. You can use anything. So you need to cut the leaves at the bottom. But I am not going to throw these leaves. I am going to plant these leaves in these small pots. Yeah. Now I cut the leaves. Yeah. Now this also. Yeah. Now I am going to plant this in this pot. This pot. Now so first I will sow this plant, ZZ plant. When I planted this, now I'm going to fill the pot with full mud. See? I'm going to plant this. No need of cutting this. Full with mud. Now I have a bag of only a little bit of water. Very little. Now I'm going to fill soil with this. First I will fill a little bit, then I will plant leaves, 2 leaves I will plant, and now again fill this soil, little bit, see, like this. Now again sprinkle a little bit of water. You know actually these leaves can grow into adult plant, adult ZZ plant. Now I am going to pour soil. Now I have cut the leaves at the bottom of the stem. Now I am going to plant these two. So you should not press the soil too much. Little bit.